Welcome to our channel. We are here to help you make money online by breaking down the best entrepreneurship books and giving you tips and examples on how to use what you learn. This video is all about the book Dotcom Secrets and how to grow your business online. We'll give you the most important information and show you exactly how to put it into action. So, sit back, relax and join us as we help you make money online in a unique and easy way. Dotcom Secrets, the underground playbook for growing your company online, is a book written by Russell Brunson, a successful entrepreneur and online marketer. The book is aimed at people who want to make money online and provides a step-by-step guide to building a successful online business. The author, Russell Brunson, is a well-known figure in the online marketing world and has built a number of successful companies using the strategies outlined in the book. One example is ClickFunnels, a software company that helps businesses create sales funnels to increase their online revenue. The book is divided into three main parts: the Dotcom Secrets, the Secrets, and the Compound Effect. In the first part of Dotcom Secrets, the Dotcom Secrets, Brunson explains the importance of understanding your target market and creating a value ladder to effectively sell products or services to them. The author emphasizes that the key to success in any business is to understand the needs and wants of your target market and create a value ladder that addresses those needs and wants in a way that is unique to your business. A value ladder is a framework that presents the different levels of products or services that your business offers, starting with low-cost or free options and moving up to higher-priced options. By understanding the different levels of needs and wants of your target market, you can create a value ladder that meets those needs and wants at different price points. In this part, the author also introduced the concept of the Dream 100, which is a list of 100 people or companies that you would love to do business with, and he explains how to create and use that list to grow your business. He also talks about how to use the power of storytelling to sell your products or services and how to create a hook that grabs your target market's attention and keeps them engaged. In the second part of the book, The Secrets, Brunson delves into the specific strategies and tactics that can be used to drive traffic and convert leads into customers. He covers topics such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and social media marketing. He explains how to use these tactics to drive targeted traffic to your website and convert that traffic into leads and customers. One of the key strategies discussed in this part is the use of lead magnets, which are free or low-cost items such as ebooks, webinars, or guides that are offered in exchange for contact information from potential customers. This strategy is used to build an email list of leads that can be nurtured and converted into customers. He also talks about how to use webinars, funnels, and other tools to convert leads into customers. Finally, in the third part of the book, The Compound Effect, Brunson talks about the importance of consistently implementing and refining your strategies to achieve long-term success. He explains that the key to success in any business is to consistently take small, incremental steps that lead to big results over time. He emphasizes the importance of testing and refining your strategies to find what works best for your business and your target market. He also talks about how to create a culture of excellence in your business by focusing on continuous improvement and how to develop a system for success that can be scaled and replicated in your business. He also emphasizes the importance of taking time to reflect on your progress and to celebrate your successes. Now, let's talk about the concepts, with some examples of how to apply them to generate revenue online. The value ladder. This concept involves identifying the different levels of products or services that a customer may need and creating a sales funnel that moves them through each level. For example, a value ladder for a fitness company might include a free workout guide as the entry-level product, a $47 online workout program as the mid-level product, and a $297 personal training package as the high-level product. To apply this concept, you would create a sales funnel that offers the free guide to all visitors and then uses email marketing to promote the mid and high-level products to those who have shown interest in the free guide. The hook, story, and offer. This concept involves using a hook or attention-grabbing element to capture the customer's attention, following up with a story that relates to the customer's needs, and then making an offer that solves their problem. For example, a hook might be a statistic about how many people struggle with a certain problem. The story could be about someone who overcame that problem, and the offer could be a solution that helps others do the same. To apply this concept, you would use the hook and story in your website's headlines and copy, and then use email marketing to promote the offer. The soap opera sequence. This concept involves building a relationship with the customer by sending them a series of emails that tells a story, and gradually building up to a sales pitch. For example, the first email might introduce the main character and their problem, the second email might introduce a potential solution, and the third email might make an offer for the solution. To apply this concept, you would create a series of emails that follow this structure and schedule them to be sent automatically to new subscribers. The One Funnel Away Challenge. This concept involves creating a 30-day challenge for the customer where they build a sales funnel from scratch. For example, the challenge could be to create a sales funnel that generates at least $1,000 in revenue in 30 days. To apply this concept, you would create the challenge and promote it to your audience, and then provide daily instruction and support to help participants complete the challenge. The perfect webinar. This concept involves creating a webinar that is designed to convert leads into customers by using a specific structure and script. The structure includes a hook, story, and offer, but in a webinar format where you can engage with the audience, answer questions, and build trust. To apply this concept, you would follow the perfect webinar structure and script provided in the book, and promote the webinar to your audience. By applying these concepts and taking action, you will be able to create a sales funnel that effectively converts leads into customers and generates revenue for your online business. Remember to always test and optimize your sales funnels and campaigns to ensure that they are generating the best possible results. Overall, Dotcom Secrets provides a comprehensive guide to building a successful online business and making money online. By following the strategies and tactics outlined in the book and continuously testing and refining your approach, you can increase your chances of success in the online world. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover more strategies for making money online. Thank you for watching the video.